So, as I told you guys, I got these Fidgets from the Hallmark store, and I wanted to show them to you. Okay, now I need to unravel it.
Well, what else is it doing?
Dad, really? Okay. I'm gonna mix it around. Okay. I know what's in here, but I want it to be a surprise which one I pick. So the first one I touch. Okay, I touched this. What is that actually? Wait, I forgot what I got. It's a puppet! Oh, I'm actually so excited for this one. Okay. It's a dog. Look how cute that puppy is. Okay, wait. You guys gotta hear this. Okay. This is the quiet side. It's a little hard to press down, but I like that. Okay, now the loud side. Oh! This is a good one. That's a good one. I might have to do a new, all fidget haul, because I haven't done one of those in a while, and I've got a few new fidgets. Okay.
There, enough.
Dad. Okay.
Wait, turn it off.
Okay, so here is the dog puppet. Winter. Come. Okay, we're going to compare it. Come on. Okay, here's my doggy. Doggy. You puppy. Mm-hmm. And then here is the dog. What do you guys think? I think it's a 9.5 out of 10 because it's a little hard to press, but I actually really like the popping sound of it. It's so loud. Okay? 9.5 out of 10. Next fidget. Just mix it around. Okay, I'm going to touch. Yes! I think I'm going to save this one for last because it's a mystery thing. Okay, so I know what this last thing is. It's very much Christmassy, but I think that this is just too cute to pass up. I'm fine. Okay. Ooh, fidget. Oh my gosh. It's so stinking cute. Okay. First sounds.
I want to sit down.
Okay. Now. Oh, it's so good. Okay, wait. That's good. And this is even like another fidget. And it's a keychain. I'm going to definitely have to put this on my backpack. Actually, no. I think these things would break really easily. But 10 out of 10. Also, because of its cuteness. Look at your little fish. Last thing, guys. Are you ready for this? I'm kind of confused on what these are. This is. It's Nido Dohies. Am I saying that right? Okay, guys, please. Okay, so I'm gonna open this.
How is it?
Let's just. Oh, okay. Dad, come on. I'm so sorry, guys. My family is too loud. Shh. Okay. Oh my gosh, why is this so hard to open? Let's see how many steps I've gotten today. Okay, and that's not a lot. I just put it on. It's like 3,841. That's not a lot at all. Okay. So, shh. Okay, I'm going to let you guys see in it first. What is it? Shh, guys, come on. What is it? Wait. It's squishy. What is this? Oh, okay. So it's one of these. I have this already. And then it's this little thing you can squeeze. So you can put these in. Okay, so that's kind of cute. Oh my gosh, where'd it go? Okay. Okay, so I have this upstairs and it's actually starting to break. So this is actually perfect. I wish it came. Okay. I'm gonna put it in. And I have an orange one of these that like squishes easier. They're like dough balls. But yeah, look at it. It's so cute. Okay. So there we go. Okay. It does not smell good. Okay. This one, it's okay. I really prefer it without the thing on it. I think I need to warm this up a little bit because it's like really hard right now. But looks like, which one did I get? I got this one. Which one is this? Can't find him. Aha. There he is. So he's that one. Here he is. I do recommend these because once you warm them up, which I will do in a few seconds, hopefully. Come on, please. Okay. So it's warmed up now. Let it go back to its original shape. I might just have to go upstairs and get, okay. I might just have to go upstairs and get my other one, my orange one. I had a green one of them and it popped. Okay.
You're welcome, thank you.
Okay. It's okay. But I do love the box. So I wonder if all the blue ones are hard because the one upstairs in my room is hard and it's blue, just like this. And I had a green one, which was my favorite. That's why it's popped. And I have an orange one that's the easiest, and the green was the middle, and then this one is the hardest. So that is all of my fidgets. This one, I don't know. I would have to give this one a 7.5 out of 10. It's not the best one, but this one is a 10 out of 10. Just like when it's in this, I don't like it. But yeah. I think, how much was this? I cannot find the price. It was $3.99, so not that expensive. So I think it's right for the price. I'm sorry. Okay. Actually, yes, I do like it because it changes like green here. Okay, this is an 8 out of 10. Okay, I recommend them very much. And here are all of the fidgets of the day. My favorite would have to be the dog puppet. Look at how cute it is. Bye-bye.